I stand out.
Down. 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 See. Okay, nice.
I think from this side it's gonna be cool. Like over here.
All right, peace and black power family. Y'all already know what it is. We got 3 God in the building. This was a surprise to me as well. So just like many of you, this is the first intro I seen with third God, with the 3 God. And I mean, hey, it's entertaining. And I see a lot of you are in here, so don't get mad at me. A lot of you in here to see the return of God in the human form. So without any further ado, I would like to bring to you 3 God in the building. What's going on, brother? Three God, can you hear me? Oh man, come on, let's get this thing working.
Good. Yeah. Good, good.
I want to ask you, are the women behind you, are they your wives or just members of your organization, your movement? Did you hear me, brother? We can't have it.
Let's say, just say this. These are my orishas.
Orishas.
Yes.
Okay. I would like for you to introduce yourself to the audience for those of them who may not have heard of you or who don't know you, because we get new people here every day, brother. So introduce yourself to the people.
They want me to introduce myself again, my caller. You ready? Up! All due respect. What?
All due respect to the Most High, 3 God, woooo.
Got my 3s in check. I go by the name 3 God. Some of you know me prior as Nature Boy.
Okay, brother. Let's start this interview.